At 25, Florianti was suffering from severe cataracts. He showed no response to bright light and needed someone to guide him as he walked. His world was little more than shadows. The CGI Center in Manila was his only hope. He had sought treatment before, but surgery would cost 120,000 Philippine pesos per eye, an impossible sum for his family.
Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya na umiiyak mag-isa. Minsan pagpakainin mo, nagpapatulonan mo. Kaya umiiyak din ako kasi nasasaktan ako eh.
Naisipan ko na magbigti ako. Sa piling ko, wala na akong pag-asa sa buhay na maayos pa to. Buti dumating ko sa tita, kinuha ko doon.
This was how Florianti had lived for the past 15 years. After a thorough examination at the eye center, he was finally given a chance to see a different world. With support from the government health insurance program and free surgery provided by CIGI, Florianti underwent cataract surgery on each eye in April and May. At his final follow-up, both his vision test and examination showed no problems. The doctor declared his treatment complete, marking a new beginning in his life.
Itong nangyari ko po sa buhay ko po ay hindi ko po ito makakalimutan po kasi tagal ko na din nag-wish na sana makakita na po ako. Sa isip ko, parang pabigat na yata ako, parang wala na tayong pag-asa. Pero ano pala, hindi pala mawala tayo ng pag-asa. Binigay nila sa akin yung kasayahan na makakita po ako, na makakita ko na po yung mundo na yung natingin ko po dati.
Sa totoo lang po, marami na po kasi silang nilapitan. Wala po talagang. Dito kami nakatagpo na maging okay pala siya. Kaya nandun yung tuwa namin, papasalamat. Kasi sa tagal ng panahon, makakita siya. Kaya maraming salamat po.
ITV reports.